middle of nowhere. And you know there's victory. Victory. Plain to that long black train, that day was driving that long black. That day was driving that long black. Everybody with me? Thank you so much. How's everybody up here in Rockford, Illinois? Well, I tell you what, I've been here, I guess it's been about 2 or 3 times now. And this lady's saying 3. She's keeping count. I'm glad somebody's keeping count. I've been here 3 times now. Here on the waterfront, and I don't think I've ever seen a crowd this big and this good looking. I mean, they go all the way back there. We got them on the patio over here. These people over here are like up to their knees in water over here. And speaking of water, that's another thing I love about coming up here, is that it doesn't matter if it's raining or what. Y'all are going to come out here and enjoy good country music. And that makes my job easy. But once again, I'm Josh Turner, and it's good to be here in Rockford, Illinois. And what you're seeing back here on the video screens is my current album, HAYWIRE. The reason we have 2 different looking covers is that we have 2 different versions. Over here we have the Josh Turner HAYWIRE Deluxe Edition. Basically what makes it deluxe, it features 4 bonus songs on here, 2 of which were recorded live on the road. You get a lot of extra content on here you can upload to your computer. And over here is what I call the Josh Turner HAYWIRE Standard Edition, or the Working Man's Edition. Got the plain old 11 songs on it. You can throw it in your computer, but ain't nothing gonna happen. Take my word for it. You can find both versions of the record at my merchandise stand, which is that way. When in Rome. When in Rockford, do as the Rockfordians do, or whatever you call it yourself. Did I get that right? Rockfordian? Wow. First guess. Maybe I should go buy a lottery ticket tonight. Anyway, I'll be telling you a little more about the merchandise stand later on in the show. But speaking of the HAYWIRE album, this next song is the title track off the album, and this is about a little lady who's hotter than fire, and she's got me going haywire. First time I saw her in the cutoff jeans, I knew that I'd be in for a treat. Next thing I knew, she had me tongue-tied. She had me shaking from my head to my feet. Never should have underestimated her eyes, a smile over the long, long legs. Now she's got me down on my hands and knees, and all I can do is beg. Hey, why? gangster girl is for my heart.